Salt Lake, Utah, and Davis counties are all seeing the biggest numbers of COVID cases. So the KSL investigators reached out to see how it's impacting their efforts to track this pandemic. And in all three counties, we learned the number is overwhelming their contact tracing efforts. In Salt Lake County, every single health department employee is contact tracing on at least a part-time basis. Plus, they have an additional 150 people who are full-time tracers.
Let them know that they need to be on quarantine.
While some are notifying employers and schools of a positive contact, most don't have the time to do more than notify immediate contacts in the household. While the majority of folks with COVID-19 receive their results within 24 to 48 hours, that goal is not always possible.
It's a struggle just to get those cases assigned out to our contact tracers. Two, it's hard for those contact tracers to try to make contact with those individuals.
And to speed things up, Utah County is looking into a digital way to notify if someone has COVID.
The number of cases that we have, it absolutely would be helpful, without a doubt.
So that brings up the question, what about the Healthy Together app? Utah is still paying $300,000 a month until April for it, but could it be used more broadly to help notify people of their COVID test results?
We see Healthy Together, continuing to play the role that it's playing right now. And
Tom Hudako with the Utah Department of Health says there are no plans to expand the use and functionality of Healthy Together. Right now, it's used as a symptom checker and to give info on COVID. Instead, they're looking at other tech to help with contact tracing.
Electronic Notification Express tool.
Notification Express lets your phone's Bluetooth talk to other phones around you, so long as they have also opted in. So if someone I was close to gets COVID, I get an alert that says I was possibly exposed. Likewise, I can notify the app if I do have COVID, and then it can alert other people who are maybe near me and possibly got exposed. A similar app was launched in Colorado just a few weeks ago, and so far more than 800,000 people have signed up. The app is not available in Utah yet, and the state could not tell me when it would be. So, for now, Hudako says contact tracing means it is up to you to notify friends and family if you test positive.
That's really the only way that we're going to get ahead of the curve here, is by getting to people who have been exposed and asking them to quarantine and asking them to watch for symptoms and to get tested themselves.
For now, Tolman Hill says their health department hopes everyone will do their part to slow the spread.
And it truly is about all of us working together. Like it or not, it really is.
And the Notification Express tool is free for both the users and the state of Utah. The tech is offered by Apple and Google and has been available for months.